So you need to take a screenshot of your desktop. Here we're going to talk about two great ways how to do just that. If you need to be precise, the last method will be the one you will want to do. The first way to get into the Snippet tool is actually by just hitting the print screen on your keyboard. I'll do that now. Now it may look like nothing has happened, but if we open up the Paint tool and then navigate to Edit and then Paste, it will paste in your entire desktop. Now you may not want your whole entire desktop. You may only want just one little piece of your desktop to send to someone. Now you may be wondering where this print screen button is at. Usually it's in the top right section of your keyboard, and if you're on a laptop, usually it's on the top right corner as well, usually abbreviated, and it's usually on one of the smaller buttons. I'll have a couple examples here on the screen for you. The second way to use the Snippet tool is by actually using a couple shortcut keys on your keyboard. We can hold the Windows key, Shift, and S, and that'll prompt us with a slightly dimmed version of our screen with a little crosshair. We can just drag the section that we need and let go, and at the bottom it can say capture here. We can just hit that capture button. In the bottom right, we see the little snippet tool says screenshot copied to clipboard. We can just click that image, and the image that we need is right there, and we can actually just hit the save button, and that'll save it. Now let's say you had to take a screenshot and be extremely precise. You can't really do that with the Windows Snippet tool, and so I would recommend getting the Greenshot, which you can get getgreenshot.org. You can download it for free, and it will allow you to take a very precise screenshot. To do this, usually you already have Greenshot already running when your computer starts up. You can click on that and say capture region. And then now, as you can see on my screen, I can see exactly where I want to get my screenshot. So let's say I wanted to take this blue button right here. I can line it up exactly where I need to and copy it. And just by following that little crosshair, I can get it exactly where I need to be. And then I can just open image. And now I have no white space at all. That's a perfect screenshot. If this video has been helpful, please give it a like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.